I am Pankaj P. Bhise, and today I am going to teach you the topic projection of solid. Okay, so before this we learn about the projection of point, projection of line, projection of plane. Now the next topic is projection of solid. Okay, before actually projecting the solid, one should know about the solid. Okay, different types of solid. First, while projecting the solid, student should know the different types of solids. So let's see the definition of solid. So solid is defined as, according to engineering graphic, solid is defined as the 3D object, means three-dimensional object. Line has one dimension, plane has two dimension, and solid has three dimension, that is length, width and height. Now this is the definition of solid. Now coming to the classification of solid. Okay, so before actually projecting the solid, one should know about the classification, how you are classifying the solid. Okay, so basically the solids are classified into two types. So first type is polyhedron, and second type is solid of revolution. Okay, now let's see what is polyhedron and what is solid of revolution. So I am drawing one diagram here, and after explaining that diagram आपको पता चल जाएगा कि सॉलिड क्या है. ठीक है, so this is one diagram, A, B, C, D, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the diagram. Now this is the polyhedron. Now see here. So this diagram consists of number of planes. Okay. Now see, A, B, C, D is a plane, and similarly 1, 2, 3, 4 is also a plane. Again 1, 2, B, A, 1 is also a plane. 2, B, C, 3, 2 is also a plane. Likewise 3, C, D, 4, 3 is also a plane, and 4, D, A, 1, this is also a plane. So there are 6 planes. Okay, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, B, A, 2, 3, C, B, 3, C, D, 4, and 4, D, A, 1. These are the 6 planes. Okay, and after bounding these 6 planes, this we get this solid. Okay, and this solid is a polyhedron. Okay, this solid is a polyhedron. Now how you can define the solid polyhedron? Polyhedron is a solid bounded by planes. Polyhedron is a solid bounded by planes. So here there are 6 planes which bounds together to form this polyhedron. Okay, so how you can define the polyhedron? Polyhedrons are the solid bounded by planes. Okay, now let us see the solids of revolution. Now you know the polyhedrons are the solid bounded by plane. Now what is solids of revolution? Now I am drawing one diagram, that is, see here. So this is, what is this? As you all know, this is a cylinder. Okay, can you categorize this cylinder into this category? Because here the definition of this polyhedron is solid. Polyhedrons are the solid bounded by plane, but here there are no bounded planes because the surface of this cylinder is curved. Okay, so you cannot put this solid into this category. So this is not a polyhedron. Now how you can define the solids of revolution? Let's see. So again, now you know this is polyhedron, and the definition of this polyhedron is polyhedrons are the solid bounded by plane. Now see, solids of revolution. Now as the name indicates, solids of revolution. Revolution is there. Now take one rectangular plane. This is a rectangular plane. Okay. Now if we rotate this rectangular plane about one of its sides, let's see, this is one of its side of the rectangle, and if we rotate this plane about one of its sides, we will get the volume, that is cylindrical volume, and that's why we can define this solid as solid of revolution. That means solids obtained by revolving the plane, solids obtained by bounding the plane, and solid obtained by revolving the plane. So this is how you can classify the solid into two types, polyhedron and solid of revolution. Polyhedrons are the solid bounded by plane, solids of revolutions are the solid obtained by revolving the plane.